Hello, the Major on Trumpet here. In case you're watching my video for the first time, you're welcome. Please do subscribe to my channel so you can get more videos like this in the future. And in case you are returning to my channel, you're welcome once again. In today's video, we'll be playing the first octave of the major scale. And for a step-by-step on how to play the notes in the major scale, you can check out my video, 7 Musical Sounds. I will leave a link in the description below in case you're interested. That is the first octave of the major scale of C on the trumpet. I've just played it back and forth. We're going to use this to play the exercise I played in the beginning of this video. But before that, let's play the scale once again, the first octave. Now, the exercise in steps. Now, with much speed, we have all in one take. Slowly. So that is the exercise for today. Now we're going to take the first octave one more time. Faster. So that is it for today. In case you like this video, don't forget to give a like. And you want to see more videos like this in the future, don't forget to subscribe below. Thank you.